Well, hello. My name is Mike Padilla, and today I'm going to talk about how I integrate technology into my classroom. Since the class that I teach is Communication, Arts, and Media, there is literally technology all over my classroom. From the 10 computers I have in the classroom, both PC and Mac, to all the 10 plus different camcorders I have, to the TV production equipment that we have, all the cables, the lighting, the switcher, the audio boards. There is a ton of technology in my classroom. Granted, they might not all be working correctly. I run a pretty bootleg operation with a small budget. There is a lot of technology in my classroom. Some of the projects that I assign throughout the year are anything from music videos, photo montages, commercials, final projects, news shows, and the list goes on and on. I really enjoy teaching my class, and thankfully a lot of the students that take my class enjoy it as well. It gives them a chance to show their creativity and really learn, problem solve, communicate with their different group members, since everything is done in a group, and it really is just a great time. One example of a project I assigned this year was a photo montage project. The students were to take a whole bunch of pictures and edit using either Final Cut Pro or Adobe Premiere Pro and basically tell me a story. I told the students that they could use anything, short clips of video, some music, titles, anything they want, as long as they focus on shot composition and telling an actual story with just pictures and whatever they like to add to it. The first thing I do is hand out the assignment on paper. The paper has a due date, it talks about all the important things I want in the project, it also has the rubric. And then we watch class examples, and then the next thing they do is break off into groups, start brainstorming ideas, they write some storyboards, perhaps some scripts, and then they shoot and edit the whole project. The projects usually take about 3 to 4 weeks, and as the students are doing their thing on the computers and around the school, I walk around and see where they need help. Oftentimes they ask me how they come up with a certain effect, how they can do this or that. Sometimes they ask me about concepts, what I think about a certain idea, and they just like getting my opinion, and I offer my advice when needed. Once the projects are done, I put them all on DVD and we watch and critique as an entire class. The students really enjoy this part because they get to see the fruits of their labor, and I really enjoy this part because I get to see the creativity that all my students put into their work. It's great to see the ownership they take, and it's really great as a teacher to see the students enjoying doing actual school work. This process usually takes about 2 to 3 days. When all is said and done, I take all of the videos and put them on a website that I created for my classes. This way they could share all of their videos with their family and friends around the world. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Till next time.